In this example, you will set up a DNA concentration test to determine the optimum DNA concentration for your PCR reactions. I am using a 6-tube PCR strip. The first step is to pipette 5 microliters of water into each of the 6 tubes. In step 2, I will pipette 5 microliters of 1:1 lambda DNA into tube 2. I will mix the 5 microliters of DNA into the 5 microliters of water, then remove 5 microliters, essentially making a 1/2 dilution of my original DNA stock. I will then take this 5 microliters of 1/2 concentration DNA and repeat the steps for tubes 3, 4, 5, and 6, and at the end of tube 6, I will discard the remaining 5 microliters. Finally, I will add 14 microliters of my prepared master mix into all 6 of the tubes. This will create a null control for tube 1 and a gradient of 1/2 to 1/32, or about 3% of the initial volume. Alternatively, after you have added 5 microliters in step 1, only add 1 microliter of 1:1 DNA in step 2, followed by transferring only 1 microliters from tube to tube, giving a much greater dilution.